Hello friends, welcome back to the Biogenics, and today we are going to see the video about what is inside my handbag. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, means don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So without any delay, let's just get on to the video. So actually my handbag, so let me tell. So actually I bought this handbag from the Max, and the detailing of this handbag is very simple and elegant. So it is in dark blue color, so it have a gold chain here, and here we have a gold chain with a tassel. So actually the tassel is in very bad condition because I have a cat. So usually my cat used to play in this, so it is in bad condition now. So here I have a small zip in back side. So here I used to keep cards and cashes. So if I go anywhere, means I can take easily from here in urgent situations. So I keep my card and cash here. Then let's move on to the inside. So inside there's a only one zip, there's no any partition. So if we open this zip, means there's no any partition, it is a huge space here. And we have a small partition inside, secret partition. And there's also a secret zip in my handbag. So here I used to keep my Aadhaar card, PAN card. Usually I always carry this, but currently for past 1 year I'm using a menstrual cup. For emergency case I'm carrying this. So next, I have a pocket perfume. So it is from Mini, so it's almost going to over. So this is the one I bought from Miniso, and it cost around 220 rupees. And then I'm having a pen. So I have two pen for emergency case. If I lost this, means I'll use this. Actually these are all the things from this partition. Oh sorry. Actually these are all the things from these partition. So I have a sanitary napkin and pocket perfume and pen in a secret section. And after that, let's move on to the huge space. So the first thing I'm having is my wallet. So in my wallet I usually have cards. I have a passport size photo of them, and I have an ID card of my college, and here is my Apollo pharmacy card, and I have a green trends card, and then I have a Express Avenue food card, and I have VR Mall food card for 2. I can give the passport size picture, no? So I've given my beautiful picture. So then I have my mom's Aadhaar card. So, and this is my college ID card, and you can see how I am looking. Like I'm so pavapatapilla, like I'm so. Yeah, this is my college ID card. I studied in Anna Adarsh College in Ananagar. So after that, I always carry lip balm with me, and most importantly I'm having this one. I think everyone should carry this. Actually this is a toilet spray. So if you are going outside, means there's a public toilet we can't use because there's a hygiene issue. So if we have this spray, means we can spray near the seat we are going to sit. So after few minutes, like after 10 seconds, we can sit, because it kills the germs, bacteria in the toilet seats, which, so it is a good thing. So I always carry this. So hygiene for many, both men and women. I'm having a specs box. Actually I'm using specs, power specs. So I'm always have this box, and I have a True Eye liquid. This liquid is for cleanse my specs. So if we spritz in my specs and we can wipe it out, so it will make the specs clear, crystal clear. So next, well, let's move on to the next one, and I have the Tic Tac clip. So for emergency case for my hair, I'm having this clip, and then actually I'm having a detangled comb. So this comb is quite useful for many women because it reduces the hair fall. And then so I'm having a Odomos, a mosquito repellent. So then I'm having a hair serum and my hair clip. And hair clip I always used to carry, and then hair serum. Then I'm having one coolers. Actually, this coolers I bought from a roadside. I think it is a 150 around, but so I'm having this cooler. So I love this one, so I bought. So for 150 rupees, I think this is quite good. And that's all I have in my handbag. Yeah, main thing I'm having a sanitizing one, which is also I bought from Miniso. So it cost around 100 rupees, and the fragrance is ultimately good, and it is a gel content, and seriously it is 400 rupees, quite useful if you are going to any hotel, and if you are going to any street shops to eat like a samosa, bonda. There we can't wash hand, no, so on that time we can use the sanitizer. It's quite useful to do. So that's all I'm having in my handbag. And the main thing, the other thing which I always used to carry in my handbag is wet wipes, tissues, facial tissues, anything in my handbag, because I'm running out of my stock. So after the quarantine ends, I have to buy the tissues, wet wipes, everything. If you like my video, kindly click the like button, and if you find this one is useful, means kindly share with your friends and family. And if you're watching my video for the first time, means don't forget to click the subscribe button and as well as the bell icon. So thank you for watching my video, and tata, take care.